So once again, good morning to all. So yes, I am representing the lecture number 3 of acid, base and salt. And we were discussing about the chemical natures of acid. We are discussing about the chemical nature of acid, and our next topic was when acid reacted with metal. When acid reacted with metal, it produces salt plus hydrogen gas. It produces salt plus hydrogen gas, but there are some exceptional cases. Clear? When hydrochloric acid combines with sodium, it produces sodium chloride with hydrogen. Suppose sulfuric acid reacted with magnesium, then plus, minus and plus, both positive ions will exchange their places and you will get magnesium sulfate with hydrogen gas. Clear? Suppose nitric acid reacts with any metal. When nitric acid reacted with any metal except magnesium and manganese. When nitric acid reacted with any metal except magnesium and manganese, then what happens? Then it produces salt plus water plus nitrogen oxides. It may be nitrogen monoxide, nitrogen dioxide or nitrous oxide. So this is one of the most exceptional case. Clear? So let us discuss. I am taking nitric acid, and nitric acid reacted with potassium. Then what happens? See it clearly. Positive sign over here and negative sign over here, and put positive sign over the potassium ion. So both the ions, positive ions, will exchange their places and you will get potassium nitrate KNO3 with water and nitrogen oxide and nitrogen oxide. See, why water and nitrogen oxide? Nitric acid is a strong oxidizing agent. Nitric acid is a strong oxidizing agent. So what happens here? Nitric acid oxidizes hydrogen into water. Nitric acid oxidizes the hydrogen into water and it reduces itself. Nitric acid is an oxidizing agent, so it oxidizes the hydrogen into water and it reduces itself. So this is how this reaction happens. But when nitric acid reacted with magnesium or manganese, then what happens? Then we get magnesium nitrate or manganese nitrate with hydrogen gas. So this is one of the most exceptional case. Nitric acid produces hydrogen gas only in the presence of magnesium or manganese. And if other metals reacted with nitric acid, then nitric acid is a strong oxidizing agent, so it oxidizes the hydrogen into water and it reduces itself into any oxide of nitrogen. Clear? Then our last chemical property was when acid reacted with metal oxide. Acid reacted with metal oxide. Clear? Acid reacted with metal oxide. So see what happens. It produces salt with water. So I am taking the hydrochloric acid, metal oxide, magnesium is a metal, and I am taking its oxide, magnesium oxide. Clear? So magnesium oxide is solid in nature. So I am adding water to it. After the addition of water, it produces or it became magnesium hydroxide. So hydrochloric acid reacted with magnesium hydroxide. This is the acid, this is the base, and now we have the acid base reaction that is called neutralization. That is called neutralization. Generally neutralization means acid base reaction. Neutralization means acid base reaction. But if you look it into very deeply, you will understand what happens exactly in the neutralization reaction. See what happens exactly. I am taking the hydrochloric acid and I am taking sodium hydroxide. It produces NaCl plus H2. So look into the reaction very deeply. H positive ion, Cl negative ion, Na positive ion, OH negative ion, and here this is the ionic compound, so it has ions Na positive and Cl negative ion. Clear? See, Cl negative ion get cancelled, Na positive ion get cancelled. So I am left with only H positive ion with OH negative ion, and that produces or that gives to me only water. So actually in case of acid base reaction, only the hydrogen positive ion reacted with the hydroxide negative ion and it produces water. This exactly happens in case of acid base reaction. So I hope you will clear with this, and in our upcoming videos we will progressively moving towards our topic, and till then cry or try. So what type of phase will suits you? You will have to decide, this or this. If you will not try, then you will definitely cry, and if you will try, then your face will look like this. So it is your choice what you will have to choose. So go for it and have a good luck and great luck. Till then, keep learning, happy learning, and have a good future, bright future. Bye. So see you in our upcoming video. Till then, bye.